Abhikritik from 80. Today I am here to explain my project, Air Disaster Management. Can you guess what is my project about? Yes, it is correct. Air Disaster Management. We all know that in Ahmedabad an incident happens where 230 people plus people has died. It is a cruel moment. For this, I had some solutions for this problem. Number one, engine failure. Engine failure. What does mean by engine failure? Engine failure. Engine failure happens when it is not producing any power supply. So for this, I have created that main body is separated from the passenger seat. So if an emergency, the pilot clicks the button and it automatically comes down safely and slower with the help of parachutes. And number two, bird strike. Birds fly high and aeroplanes also fly high. So it comes towards the aeroplane. It sends as it strikes a laser light to its eyes, so it gets distracted from the place. For next, from this we can understood that science and technology can improve and save many thousands of people's life, and like this inspiring projects can make engineers to inspire and solve many problems and make our future very bright. Thank you.
Good morning, sir or ma'am. It is my pleasure to explain about my project to you. So this is project named as hydropower plant. So this project produces the electricity. This is the concept behind this project. So you can clearly see that a water bottle is placed here which contains of water, and then there is a spinning wheel. So if this spinning wheel rotates, it produces the mechanical energy. The mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy by using the components. So, and this electrical energy helps the light to glow, and if this light glows, then it proves that it produces the electricity. So this is the concept behind this project. And then now let's see about the pros or advantages of this project. The pros and advantages are, it does not harm the pollution, which means it does not produce any pollution and it does not harm the nature. And then let's come to this project. This is the biogas plant model. So before going to this project, let's see about what is biogas. A biogas is a gas that is produced with the breakdown of the organic matter into the renewable energy, which means it is a usable energy. So you can clearly see that there is a syringe which is organic matter, and then it contains of a cooking gas. So this cooking gas is the main content because it converts the organic matter into the biogas. So if the biogas is produced, then we don't want to depend on the fossil fuels. So and then let's see about this pros of the biogas. So the pros is it does not harm nature, it does not produce any pollution, and etc. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is H. Kavyashree. Today, my topic is about click chemistry. Let's see what is meant by click chemistry and what are the significations of it. Chemists are often amazed with the complexity and diversity of chemical molecules present in plants, animals, and microorganisms. Many chemists try to imitate the natural molecule present in plants, animals, and microorganisms, but there is a difficulty. If molecules combine together naturally, it forms many byproducts and intermediate products, but it will be used in other chemical reactions. But if we make it artificially, it creates many intermediate and byproducts with no use. A great push was put forward to the three great scientists. They are K. Barry Sharpless, Morton Peter Melter, and Caroline R. Bedrosian. Let's begin with K. Barry Sharpless. He only coined the concept of click chemistry. He told that if we combine hard molecule atoms together, it will create many intermediate and byproducts. But if we combine many sequential molecule atoms, for example oxygen plus nitrogen together, it doesn't create any intermediate or byproducts with no use. Morton Peter Melter. Once Morton Peter Melter did his job as he does in every day, but once he added azide plus alkyne halide, with that he also added copper plus palladium. Once he added, it forms a triazole. Triazole is used in pharmaceutical dye and for agricultural field. It is just a simple project, so it has been used in many factories. Caroline R. Bedrosian. When Caroline R. Bedrosian only created the concept of bioorthogonal chemistry. When many scientists discovered to prevent the cancer, many of them tried to map the cell with protein and gene. But few of them only were focused on glycans. Glycans means it will protect our cells from harmful diseases. But there is a difficulty. It also protects our cancer cells. So cancer was spreaded and no medicines were cured it. So, when once a German scientist told that sialic acid is a type of chemical will also prevent our cancer, then Caroline thought that why can't we use sialic acid as a chemical handle so the fluorescent molecule will be attached, so it will prevent the cancer from us. So for these invention, for these three great scientists, they gave a Nobel Prize at 2022. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Arjun of grade 6 Cell section. Now I am going to explain my model, Natural Disaster Detector. Do you know what is natural disasters and natural disaster detector? Now I will tell you what is natural disaster and natural disaster detector. A natural disaster is a sudden extreme event caused by nature which causes major damage to our human life and properties. Earthquake, flood, tsunamis are some of the natural disasters. Now I will tell you what is natural disaster detector. A natural disaster detector is a system that uses technology to quickly identify the current natural calamity like earthquake, flood or wildfire to provide earlier warnings. Now I will explain these two models. Do you know what is natural earthquake alarm? An earthquake alarm is a device that senses the vibration caused by the earthquake and gives alert to this alarm so people who are living near the earthquake caused place can escape from this. Now I will show how this works. When I on the switch and the earthquake occurs, this circular part touches this circular part, so this sends the signal to the buzzer and the buzzer beeps. Because of the sound of the buzzer, the students and teachers who are living in this school can escape from the earthquake. Now I will tell you what is flood alarm. A flood alarm is a system that uses sensors to identify the rising water and gives alert to the people so they can take earlier actions to save their life and properties. Now I will show you how this one works. Now you can see there are some houses near this river. So because when the flood occurs, these houses can be damages. Because of that, government provided them the flood alarm. Now can you hear the buzzer sounds? Because of the sound of the buzzer, the people who are living in the houses can escape from this flood.
Good morning. This is Vasudev and this is my friend Pranav. Today we both are going to explain about the human body systems. This is our human body system.
There are four main essential systems. They are circulatory, muscular, skeletal and organ system. This is our human body. Human body are very simple from outside with hands, legs, face and nerves. Human body are made up of very small structures like cell, tissue and organ system, and it also covered by skin.
Then the second most important system is circulatory system. Job. It helps you move flood, oxygen and food all over the body. The pump. The heart constantly pushes the blood. The tubes. Tubes called arteries and veins carries the blood. The fluids. Blood delivers oxygen and picks up trash like CO2. Then the third most important system is muscular system. It helps you move, walk, lift and even smile. It provides us heat and it keeps us warm when they work. And the last and fourth most important system is skeletal system. Skeletal system provides us a support and is a framework of our body. It protects soft internal organs inside our body. For example, ribs protect heart and lungs and skull protects the brain. Movement. Bones pull on muscles. Two muscles pull on a single bone to move. Muscles can only pull, not push. Formation of blood cells. Bones form blood cells and store things like calcium. Bone marrow is a spongy tissue inside our bone which is crucial for the formation of blood cells. Interactive facts. Did you know that we can't tickle ourselves because our brain cancels it out? Pound for pound, the bone is the strongest part of our body than the metal. Your heart beats strong enough to pump blood 30 feet. Your brain can power a light bulb. Your bone is 5 times stronger than the steel. Interactive questions. Do you know the largest part of our body? The answer is the skin. And do you know the strongest muscle in our body? The answer is masseter, which is located in our cheek. And the last question is, do you know what is the average weight of the human brain? It is 1300 to 1400 grams, that is equivalent to 3 pounds.
Organ system. Organ system has the following parts: brain, lungs, liver, large intestine, small intestine, kidney, and heart. Interacting facts. The most of the dust in our home is actually dead skin cells. The cornea part of our eye gets oxygen directly from the air. Question section. Which is the smallest bone in our body? The answer is stirrup bone located in the middle of the ear. Sir, do you know how much time does a human breathe per day? The answer is 25,000 times human breathe per day. Thank you.